Welcome to the poetry section. Today I am going to discuss a poem, Smiles by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. This poem is about positive outlook, which plays an important role in shaping and achieving our future goal. And so, to maintain a positive outlook, we need to smile throughout the course of life, no matter how difficult the situation is. Let's come to the first stanza. The lines are as follows: Smile a little, smile a little, as you go along, not alone when life is pleasant, but when things go wrong. Care delights to see you frowning, loves to hear you sigh. Turn a smiling face upon her, quick the day will fly. Through these lines, the poet wants to make us understand that we should keep on smiling with a positive outlook to fight the challenges as we move ahead in our life. The poet further says that it is the nature of people that they stay with us when we are happy, but leave us the moment our sufferings begin. The poet here personifies worry or care as an unkind woman who enjoys to see us upset and loves to hear us sigh. Even in such a difficult situation, we must make efforts to continue to smile to make the damn leave us quickly. Now see the second stanza. The lines are as follows: Smile a little, all along the road. Every life must have its burden, every heart its load. Why sit down in gloom and darkness with your grief to sup? As you drink fate's bitter tonic, smile across the cup. In this stanza, the poet asks us to smile a little while we are on the way of our journey of life. He says that every human being suffers from some kind of problem, yet it is not the solution to become sad and sit in the darkness with grief supping. So, the poet asks us to smile even when we suffer because of our fate. Coming to the third stanza, we have the following lines: Smile upon the troubled pilgrims whom you pass and meet. Frowns are thorns and smiles are blossoms, oft for weary feet. Do not make the way seem harder by a sullen face. Smile a little, brighten up the place. Through these lines, the poet asks us to smile upon the tired and upset pilgrims, whoever we pass and meet on the way, as smiles are like flowers which often provide comfort to their tired feet, whereas frowns become thorns for them. The poet further asks us not to keep a dull face, as it will make their journey harder, and so just smile a little, as it has the power to make the atmosphere pleasant and joyful. Now see the last stanza. The lines are as follows: Smile upon your undone labor, not for one who grieves over his task, waits wealth or glory. He who smiles achieves, though you meet with loss and sorrow. In the passing years, smile a little, even through your tears. Through these lines, the poet wants to say that we should always smile upon our unfinished work, and that the person who grieves over his task does not achieve wealth or glory, but the person who smiles achieves everything. So the poet asks us to continue to smile a little throughout the course of life, even if we are in extreme suffering.